Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a verified YouTube account, the latest app, and camera/storage permissions so uploads can proceed. Sign into the account you want to attach. This links channel settings and upload limits. Once done, open the YouTube app and grant camera and microphone access so the scanner can capture frames. Make sure you are on a reliable network and that battery saving is off, because uninterrupted upload is critical for successful scans and metadata writing. You now open the scan or capture mode and pick the channel to receive scans. This sets permissions and content rules. Configure resolution and frame rate so scan quality matches processing time, lower resolution speeds upload, higher yields detail. Enable automatic metadata tagging and captions to help search later. Once configured, preview a short 5 to 10 second sample so you can confirm framing, light, and audio. If the upload succeeds, you have a working connection and consistent settings to reuse. Finish by completing the full scan, then add descriptive title, description, tags, and a thumbnail so viewers can find it. You should wait for upload and processing to finish and then verify playback, chapters, and captions. This confirms the scan reached YouTube intact. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Retry on a stable Wi-Fi network, clear the app cache, and reauthorize YouTube permissions. If uploads still fail, sign out and back in to refresh tokens and try a short test upload again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.